Hello and welcome to PH Chemistry. Today's explainer is the greenhouse effect, the natural warming that makes Earth habitable. By the end of this video you'll know which gases matter, how they trap heat and why this is both essential and a problem. The greenhouse effect is the warming of Earth caused by greenhouse gases, CO2, CH4, water vapour, absorbing and re-emitting infrared radiation from the surface. Short-wave sunlight passes through easily and warms the ground. The ground re-radiates long-wave infrared radiation. Greenhouse gases absorb that infrared and re-radiate some back. Three things. 1. Short wave in, long wave out. The gases only absorb the long wave. 2. Without any greenhouse effect, Earth would average around -18 degrees. 3. With the natural effect, around +15 degrees, perfect for life. Common slip. Calling the greenhouse effect itself the problem. It isn't. It's essential. The problem is the enhanced greenhouse effect. Too much carbon dioxide and CH4 from human activity, trapping more heat than the natural baseline. Quick example. Without the greenhouse effect, Earth would be frozen. With the natural amount, surface temperature averages +15 degrees Celsius, habitable. With the extra gases from burning fossil fuels, that average is rising, climate change. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic in each subject, with every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.